Hi, our friends! I saw this super cute Hello Kitty at Costco over the weekend, and it is to celebrate the Chinese New Year. Now, 2026 is the year of horse, and so this cute Hello Kitty is wearing a horse costume. So I hope all my friends around the globe who's celebrating Chinese New Year enjoy this video, and now let's get started. Let's first start by drawing the eyes for the horse. So I'm going to draw a small oval and I'm going to leave a highlight and shade in the rest of the eye. Then I'm going to come across and around here draw a same sized eye, and we're going to do the same thing. Leave a highlight and shade in the rest of the eye. There, and now I am going to connect these two eyes with a soft curve. So I'm going to start drawing a light curve from the left to the right and do that one more time. There. Now let's draw the nostrils. So I'm going to draw a smaller oval right there and do the same on the other side. And let's add the cute smile and cap it off. There. Now let's start from here. And let's draw a curved line out and come back towards the center and draw another line on the other side and connect. Now let's start from here and draw this line over. Stop right around here, right below the nostril, and we're going to do the same on the other side. Now at the end of this line, we're going to draw a curve that goes up and comes back down. So there. This is the top of the head. And let's bring this line over and connect to this point. Now let's draw the hair. So I'm going to just use a simple shape and add a few soft curves. There. Now let's draw the ears. So I'm going to start from right around here, the upper left corner, right there, and let's draw a curved line out and connect it back to the head. And I'm just gonna add this line for the inside of the ear. Now let's draw this point across, and we're gonna try to make it as symmetrical as possible and draw a similar sized ear on the other side, and we're going to write a letter L. There. So now we are going to draw the top of Hello Kitty. Okay, so right behind the ear, we'll just start from here and we are going to draw a curved line that goes out and we're going to do the same on the other side. Here. On this side, we're going to stop right here because this is where the Hello Kitty's bowl is at. So we're not going to finish this line through yet. So let's draw the ear, Hello Kitty's ear. So it's going to pop out right here, the size of the ear. And from here, let's draw a line that connects to the outside right there. Okay. On this side, let's draw Hello Kitty's bow. So I'm going to do this. And we're going to draw a circle in the middle. And a loop right there. And similarly, I'm going to finish the other half of the bow and add a loop. Now we can safely draw this line downwards. Okay, so we know that the bow is right there. And I'm going to draw this point across to draw Hello Kitty's other ear. And we are going to make it look as similar as the other side as possible. Okay. Now we're done with the top almost. We are going to draw the inside of Hello Kitty's face. So we're going to start right below here. And we're going to draw kind of like an oval shape. So we'll start this line out by drawing it here, and then let's bring it back. But I am not connecting it all the way through yet because I need to draw a bow here. So now let's come to the other side, and I'm just pretending that this line goes under and it should come back out somewhere around here. This line comes back out like that. And let's find the center. So here's my center, and let's draw Hello Kitty's eyes. So right here, I'm gonna draw the first eye. Let's just save a highlight, right? I know Hello Kitty's eyes doesn't have highlights, but I think it looks cuter. It's up to you whether you want to save a circle or oval inside the eye for highlight. If you don't want it, you can just shade in the entire eye with black ink. There, now let's draw this point across, and I'm going to draw the other eye right here. Okay, and now let's come between the eyes, and we're going to draw an oval for the nose. There, and now under the nose, this is the center of the face. Let's draw a rectangle and a bow shape. Okay, and add a few lines for the folds. Now let's bring this line back towards the center and connect to the bow. Now don't forget the whiskers. So we have 3 on each side. I am going to let it stay. Just let them stay inside the hoodie or whatever costume that she's wearing. So it's not coming out, and let's just draw this point across. I'm gonna draw the whiskers on the other side. There, we're almost done. So now let's finish the outside of the costume. So let's draw this line. Pretend that we are going behind, and it comes out from here. And we're just gonna continue this line outwards and bring it back in. As we bring it back in, it's going to taper and connect to the center of the bowl. Now let's do the same thing on the other side. It's going to be difficult to make the two sides look exactly the same, but we are going to try. So you can draw short lines and then stop and see whether you need to adjust. Okay, so this is where I need to start bringing the line back in. Right there. Okay, so now let's start by drawing the feet. I know we haven't drawn the body yet, but we can wait after we draw the feet. So right below the bow, right there, I'm going to draw a big oval. So this Hello Kitty is sitting right there. And let's do the same again on the other side. There, those are Hello Kitty's 2 feet, and we're going to connect them with a soft curve in the middle. Now let's come back in to draw the arms. So from here, now let's first draw a short line that is angled towards the center and stops like somewhere right here. And from the shoulders, right? So let's draw an angle line out. I'm going to draw some wavy lines. And the curve for the hands. We're going to do the same on the other side. Angled line out, wavy lines, and an oval or half circle for Hello Kitty's hand. Now don't forget the tail because this is a horse. She's wearing a horse costume for Chinese New Year. So now let's, behind the hand, let's draw a curve. It goes out and comes back in. So this costume has a cute tail. There. So that's pretty much it for how to draw Hello Kitty celebrating the year of a horse. And now let's color it. And we did it! This is Hello Kitty celebrating the year of horse. I hope I helped you draw this fun and easy. And if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and Happy Chinese New Year everyone! I'll see you soon.